Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen, and this is our 2019 Volkswagen Golf 6-speed manual transmission. Black exterior with a black leatherette interior. Lots of leg space and head space here. The back seat as well. A quick view here at the front. Nice rail-to-rail sunroof. Coming around to the back hatch here. Privacy cover. 60-40 split on the back seats, and a lot of space all around. Going on over to the driver's side. This car is equipped with blind spot monitoring. Got all of your window switches here. Currently sitting at 142,777 kilometers. Got blind spot, rear traffic, front assist in this vehicle. Got radar cruise control as well. And control here on the left side. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. There's a quick image of the backup camera. AM, FM. We've got dual zone automatic climate control. From here you'll find your USB for the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Nice shift knob here. Push to start. 12-volt cup holders and a little storage bin. It's nice. You have a sunglass holder as well. So you got this Jason over at Valley Volkswagen, and this is our 2019 Volkswagen